Banana peel for acne? I tested this viral skincare trick and I wish I knew it like 10 years ago. What if I told you that thing you throw away every day might be the reason why my acne disappeared? No fancy serums, no expensive creams, just this. 2 years ago, my skin was breaking out badly. I mean, acne, dark spot, hyperpigmentation, dull, tired skin. I was tired of trying everything and then I saw something that sounded crazy. People online were rubbing banana peel on their face. First, I laughed because how can something so simple help heal acne? But when your skin is acting up, you reach that point where you will try anything. So one night I decided to try it, but not without doing my own research. And what you see me holding in my hand right now is a gem that everyone needs in their skincare routine. We'll get into that shortly, but first you need to peel. Peel the banana just the way I've peeled it. What you need is the peel. Welcome to Rachel Atati, where my name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow. Now this here is what you need. The inside of the banana peel. You're going to use that and rub it all over your face. It's just simple. You just have to rub it and make sure it gets everywhere, your face and your neck. The inside of banana peel is rich in antioxidants like vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and E. It is also rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6. Also rich in phenolic compounds like ferulic acid, rutin, and quercetin, all of which help fight acne-causing bacteria. Not only that, it fights free radicals, calm inflammation, and gently brighten the skin. Rubbing this on my face is so soothing, not harsh, no burning, just calm. Look at this as a cleanser, but without all the harshness of most cleansers. It's just pure calmness. It's so cooling, so nice on the face. Did I mention it improved the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles? But this video is not about that. This video is about acne and we'll stick to that. Now I'm going to put the banana peel on my face. I'll just put it in my face and allow it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes before I remove it and wash it off. I tell you, getting this to stay on my face is a whole job. Trust me, it is a whole full-time job. See the way I'm opening my eyes and positioning my face a certain way because I'm trying to make it to stay. I don't know. It keeps falling off and maybe sometime maybe I should learn how to blend it, but then I don't even need the outside. What I need is the inside. So will blending it work? Or maybe I soak it inside water or something. I have to figure out a way because this is a challenge. Do you see me struggling and opening my eyes and just keeping my face? I said it's not gonna stay. You think it has stayed, right? You see, it's not gonna stay. It's going to stress me out. Like it will stress me the F out. See the way it's falling. A huge challenge, I tell you. However, whenever I do this, I try to allow it for at least 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. The most important part is rubbing it all over your face, which I've done earlier, but you still have to stay 10 to 15 minutes before going to wash it. This is me just being dramatic. I want every bit of that banana peel. I want every bit of it. I want to get all of the juice that is inside of that. That is what I'm trying to do. But at this point, I think I've had it. I'm gonna go wash my face right now. Boom! Look how juicy and glowy my skin look right now. Remember, this video is not about glow, but we have to still sneak that in, right? This video is about showing you one of the ways that helped me heal my acne almost 3 years ago right now. When treating acne, you have to target two things: to kill the acne and to kill the acne-causing bacteria. There are some treatment out there that target both, but some treatment do not target both. They just target the acne, and that's why you're treating your acne. You see that they are dying, but new ones are coming out. You keep wondering what is going on. That is where banana peel comes in. Yes, because the dead acne will stay dead and no new ones will come out. Now, what do you do with the banana fruit itself? You eat it. Oh, you think I was going to throw that? No, 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 no. You have to eat all of that goodness. I did this 4 times a week for 3 weeks and I saw a huge difference. And I tell you today, This is one of the reasons why my acne cleared. Not the only reason, but one of the reasons. Go outside from using the peel and nourish inside from eating the fruit. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.